كلمة barrier 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 وتعني حاجز أو عائق. For example, don't let any barrier stops you from studying English. Don't let any barrier stops you from studying English. Barriers are a part of life's journey. Barriers are a part of life's journey. Barriers can be broken with determination. Barriers can be broken with determination. كلمة based on based on based on وتعني بناء على أو استنادا إلى. For example, the movie is based on a true story. The movie is based on a true story. Success is based on hard work. Success is based on hard work. Our goals are based on long-term vision. Our goals are based on long-term vision. كلمة bang 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 وتعني دوي صوت. For example, the thunder made a huge bang. The thunder made a huge bang. The explosion caused a big bang. The explosion caused a big bang. The fireworks made a series of bangs. The fireworks made a series of bangs. كلمة balance 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 وتعني توازن أو ميزان. For example, he lost his balance and fell. He lost his balance and fell. Balance helps in skating. Balance helps in skating. Balance helps in riding a bike. Balance helps in riding a bike. كلمة balance 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 وتعني أن يوازن في عمل شيء ما. For example, you have to balance between work and going to the gym. You have to balance between work and going to the gym. Try to balance your diet in order to stay healthy. Try to balance your diet in order to stay healthy. You have to balance your social life and your study. You have to balance your social life and your study. كلمة ban 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 وتعني أن يحظر أو أن يمنع. For example, the government decided to ban smoking in public places. The government decided to ban smoking in public places. The school decided to ban cell phones. The school decided to ban cell phones. They want to ban violent video games. They want to ban violent video games. كلمة band 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 وتعني فرقة موسيقية. For example, the band played music all night. The band played music all night. The band released a new album. The band released a new album. كلمة bar 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 وتعني ملهى ليلي. For example, it's not good to go to bars. It's not good to go to bars. كلمة base 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 وتعني أساس أو قاعدة. For example, he works at a military base. He works at a military base. He established a strong base for his business. He established a strong base for his business. The base of the bridge is made of steel. The base of the bridge is made of steel. كلمة baseball 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 وتعني لعبة البيسبول. For example, I love watching baseball games. I love watching baseball games. The baseball team consists of 9 players. The baseball team consists of 9 players.